Hello students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing very well. Today I have a very different maths lesson for you from the chapter Lines and Angles. And today's topic is perpendicular and parallel lines. Now what are perpendicular lines? They're all around us. Let me tell you. Can you look at my hand? The fingers are all joined together and they're pointing outwards, horizontally. And do you look at my thumb? It's pointing upwards, vertically. Now you can see that the fingers are pointing that way on the side and the thumb is pointing upward on this side. We will say that the thumb is perpendicular to the edge of the hand. It is pointing towards the opposite direction or the other direction. Now, look at this tree growing on the ground. Can you see it? The tree is perpendicular to the ground. The ground is like this and the tree is growing upwards. The ground is sideways and the tree is going upwards. Now, look at this child standing with its arms extended outwards. The arms are aligned with the shoulders. So when the child stands like that, its arms are perpendicular to its body. So we can say that when the arm is extended, it is perpendicular to the straight line. Do you see this angle? It is 90 degrees. One arm is going downwards and the other arm is sideways. They form a 90 degrees angle. Both the arms or the lines of the angle are perpendicular to each other. They form a 90 degrees. Did you know that a 90 degrees angle is also called a right angle? So, from the examples given before, we can easily understand that perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect at a 90 degrees. So, the definition of perpendicular lines is two lines that are said to be perpendicular to each other if the angle between them is a right angle or 90 degrees. Wasn't it easy? Now, parallel lines. Parallel lines are all around us. Look at this window. The lines across from each other, like the above window pane and the below window pane. These lines are parallel to each other. Now the other sides, the window panes on the side of the window that are also parallel to each other. So we can say the window panes on the opposite side or the window panes across to each other are parallel to each other. Now, the distance between two parallel lines is always the same. Look at these lines. The first line and the second line. The distance that is between these two lines here is equal to the distance over there. The distance between two lines of parallel lines is never different. They're always the same. Symbolically, parallel lines are written as these two lines. The two lines, two straight lines, are the symbolic representation of parallel lines. Now here are a few more examples. Do you see this board, this writing board? The two sides or the two edges across from each other are parallel to each other. The line above and the line below, the edges of the board, the above edge and the below edge, they are all parallel to each other. Same goes with the side edges, this side and that side. They are both parallel to each other. Do you see this ruler? This edge and that edge. These two edges of the ruler are parallel to each other. Can you think of other examples? Look at this railway track. The track of the railway is also parallel to each other. The track never meets. Now, do you understand what are perpendicular lines and parallel lines? Here another example which will explain both of them. Look at this sheet of paper. The edges of the paper across from each other are parallel to each other. Same goes for the edges on the side. But now look at its corner. The edges meeting at this corner. The edge over here on the side and the edge on the above on that side, they meet at that corner. That is forming a perpendicular. These two edges are forming a perpendicular. They are perpendicular to each other. They form a right angle on this corner, that corner and that corner. But the lines across from each other are parallel. Wasn't it so easy? I'm sure you can find perpendicular and parallel lines all around you. To watch more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.